regal, silken, understated opulence. The 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Coupe doesn't shout, it commands silence. Then, admiration. This isn't a car that tears through time. It glides with dignity. As the embodiment of American personal luxury at the dawn of the 80s, the 98 Coupe whispered refinement with every detail, from its waterfall grille and padded landau top to the interior that felt like sitting in a private lounge on wheels. It was a chariot for those who preferred smooth V8 elegance over raw muscle fury. If you believe style has a shape and luxury has a lineage, then welcome home. Subscribe to the Autoverse, where forgotten kings like the Olds 98 ride again and you ride with us. For 1981, the Oldsmobile 98 was redesigned as part of GM's full-size platform downsizing strategy that had begun in the late 1970s. The coupe, riding on a 119-inch wheelbase, retained its formal roof, upright stance, and dignified aura, but carried a more svelte body than its 1976 to 1980 predecessors. Built on the C-body platform, it shared its underpinnings with Cadillac and Buick's models but wore the Olds badge with its own pride and poise. Under the hood, the standard powertrain for the 1981 model was the Oldsmobile 307 cubic inch 5.0 LV8, offering a modest 140 horsepower and 250 pounds-ft of torque, tuned more for smoothness than speed. Optional engines included the Oldsmobile 350 diesel AV8, designed for fuel economy during an era rocked by oil concerns. Though underwhelming in power, it was a symbol of GM's early attempts at adapting to new efficiency standards. All engines were mated to the Turbo-Hydromatic 200 automatic transmission, delivering a creamy low RPM cruise. Throughout the early 1980s, changes remained, minimal minor updates to trim, lighting, and interior fabrics, but the 98 Coupe remained a flagship, perched just below Cadillac in the GM hierarchy. It was often chosen by executives, professionals, and retirees who valued quiet strength and classic lines over flashy statements. Today, the 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Coupe sits firmly in the realm of collectible curiosities. Prices range between $4,000 and $12,000. Depending on condition and originality, compared to competitors like the Lincoln Continental Mark VI or Chrysler Fifth Avenue. The Olds offered a more reserved, gentlemanly character. It didn't try to impress, simply existed as if it already had. A reminder of an America that once built cars to float, not race.